Hello, this is Rodney from Life Enrichments. I've I can't say that I'm a big pro of Excel, but I've used it for quite a few years and learned a few odds and ends and stuff that's helped me a lot. And I've noticed when I go look for answers with the Excel, either YouTube or whatever, it seems like it's just a monumental task just to find something simple I want to do. So today I'm going to talk about concatenate, where you can actually combine two uh, columns together and join them to make one. Uh, Many times I've looked this up and I get all these fancy formulas and stuff. So I was just going to do something really simple. So let's say you've got two columns, say Harry Brown, and you really need to combine together, either for work or make invitations or whatever. But the easiest way to do it is just click somewhere. I usually kind of click one column over just to make sure I've got working space. Function. Now yours may not be that I've used this, so it's up there. Sometimes it's not there, so you may have to go to change your view to all to find it. But mine was already at the top, so I'm going to insert function, concatenate, and OK. Now this makes it real simple. It's wanting to know what you want to join. So I join this. Now here you'll want to put a space, because if you don't, it'll put the two words together, butted together. Then, whoops, I made a mistake. Space, click here, and your second column, and hit OK. And now it's Harry Brown right there. Now, let's say you have a list of 100, but all you got to do is drag this down, and there they are. Now, these are not actually text. You can't do a lot with these. These are actually the formulas. If you notice up there in the function bar, these are formulas. So what you'd want to do, so that you can get these to where you can use them as something else or they're real, is I just used Control C to copy. So just come over to this one, go up here and paste special, tell it to paste values, and now they're real. You can see up there in the function bar, these are real names, and then you can just delete this because you no longer need it. And there you have it. And I'll show you a few other features with this concatenate. Okay, another feature with the concatenation that you can do, or concatenate. It's a tongue twister. Anyways, let's say that you want to put together a report. This is just really basic, simple. You can do it with a lot of different formats and stuff, but let's just say that we're trying to figure out how many hours, that each person averaged through the year. So here you've got a first and last name separated. You need to put these together, and then you'd like to make an average of this time. So this is just one thing you can do. Function, concatenate. And put your space. Click on that last name. Then you can add text. What we're going to do is we're going to say space. And you're going to put that space because this is the way it's going to, it's going to put brown, then you're going to need a space so that it's not all butted together. So say had an average time of, now I put a space at the end. Then here we're going to do a formula. And I'm not real proficient with Excel expressions and stuff. I plagiarize and cheat. I find what I can, but I do know that in this case it's going to be average, and then you're going to need to put this parenthesis. So just so the question why, just follow it this way. Then you're going to grab your numbers and then close your parentheses. And then let's do one more. Let's just say space hours, and that'll space it out just like you're going to read a sentence. So now it says Harry Brown had an average time of 66 hours. So concatenate's a really nice little feature. I find it a time saver, especially if you got a lot of names and a lot of numbers and stuff like that. Like I said, that's just another feature that you can do with it. And I hope that helps anybody that's trying to figure out that feature. I'll be adding more as I find them, just in simple versions, simple ways of doing it, so that people that are like me, that are not really proficient, that are not the experts at Excel, but kind of know what it does and knows how to use it. These are little quick tips and helps, because like I said, because when you go to look for this stuff, it gets really elaborate, really in-depth formulas, and not everybody knows these equations and formulas and how to write this stuff. So you got to find these cheat sheets. So I'll try to make them as I find them, folks.